na adwe anya adwuma body ne bre me safa akonya yisu na masada me boss Abraham bi Moshe ase o te se na agra da di na tem o ka che so ye kwasea o ya aboa no man ti atem didie bia e wa Abraham bi Moshe anu ne mbom otu no fo o ka che se nana wo ye oba ye yi nana no kwa ntinchen nana wo te ye yi o ka che se agra da sabi wo ye oba me ne ma nko ntokwa because onim se na matie onim ma tumi nti me ne ma nko ntokwa nti
greetings people amanfo Ghana for mo fi any amononi Ghanaians both home and abroad, you know. I share for any ETA for all my viewers and subscribers. I greet you, you know. If you're boy the righteous messenger way I represent and amount for, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you to the Righteous Messenger YouTube channel. All CSF members or Common Sense family, I greet you as well. You know, say a comfort on an agrada, one, you know, owner of a TV station, Thunder TV, and at the same time, she's a fetish priestess in Ghana, or she belongs to the traditional religion, you know, African traditional religion. Her husband is a pastor though, yeah. And this woman come insult the leader of Common Sense family, Abraham Ben Moshe, you know. Talks Abraham Ben Moshe be kwasia, just because, you know, it express, you know, in or it react to the God concept in the Bible or the books, which is freedom of right or speech, you know. There's freedom of religion in Ghana, and this one come out they insult Abraham Ben Moshe because. For me, I not say they insult Abraham Ben Moshe because she be dodgy. She do sika gari, you know. Basically, these people they talk say, Charlie, through the African traditional religion, if you bring money, they will feel double give them or triple or quadruple give them. About for where you hear this before, apart from you yourself working hard, and you know, or how you go call them, investing your money to double it. Where can somebody really double your money, like true spirit or true, you know, religion? This one, it be scam. Anyway, Common Sense family members or followers of Abraham Ben Moshe the Fire, and one prominent member and student of Abraham Ben Moshe, one prominent member of Common Sense family and student of Abraham Ben Moshe, can fire as well. CSF Yahuda, among for or members of Common Sense family, you know CSF Yahuda, he can fire. Giddy. The man know the way for nothing, you know, to defend the boss. You see, I don't know if this beef go escalate or will continue, but Charlie, I wish it does, because through this woman will be exposed. There are a lot of people waiting to come and, you know, give their testimonies on how, you know, they'll be defrauded or scammed by this Agrada woman through this Sikagari or Sikatu Jimmy.
Etiyon ko twi di etwe ade no aboroso adoso enkaye nim se nkaye nka de enti aye ka ne se bibia nkoka prada nkaye girede se bibia nkoka prada nkaye girede mono monya mo man tokwa na monko a monhwe so na monko montokwa ye no yesi ye hu bibi na ye kire ye mu obi edi ni obi aten na sabi obabesi atese wo na wo ba bonte na wunye obi a wobedi na tem leader of Common Sense family na wo ka chense kwa me pacho na mesrew na Agrada wo kwase a wonim no omo ka kire yen se yemfa 4 million bra embedi 8 million yemfa 3 cedi mbra embegi 6 cedi na yeti oman ni mu na comedy yen coronavirus bae sika sabi ye de beto aduane ama oman Ghana ebi ni ho na sabi na grada emmoa ben na wo ama oman no. We are not here to insult. Common sense family, we don't insult. But we put brain in your head. We want you to think. We can't tell you what to think, but we want you to think. There may be some say, I'm pampa. The anana grad I hear woman Ghana mua. Was if a sika beji sikano. Say ye no kora am pampa ne yesika gari. Say yesika potom. Say yesika ba. Say yesika ye fani say. Sika ye fani say. Sika body am pesi. Say yesika fufu. Say yesika abata. Say yesika kokonte. Say yesika bangu. Minti. Say ye no kora. Adi na oman Ghana. Na no timitu bata. Eko baby fufro. Eko bobesia. Ambre kwa. Nanado is connected to Owusu Bempa. Owusu Bempa is connected to Nana Agrada. Me wena ma kire wa die bi. Me dia die bi bekyerɛw. Me dia die bi bekyerɛw. Me wena me de wa kodwom. Wo be bia yeton tos. Be bia yeton jende. Be bia yeton nkyene. Be bia yeton kuruma. Be bia yeton nyaadowa no. Me dia die bekyerɛw. Me twa picture kakra bi akyerɛw. E bi a won kai. O ma ya yetim no. Nana Agrada. Oni Owusu Bempa. Eye nuanom. Ayenim embre bi etwam 2020 ya na Agrada kura fi akonfo fie ofi akọ abosomfie ekọ asoli dem eko yi collection edi ma Owusu Bempa ema Owusu Bempa ye den egi odi abosom sika edi koma sofo amre kura Bible na se kaka ben ena esum ene ehan woye yemfa won to nche but me question is say if Nana Agrada is true is real se na Agrada ampa de oye no eye no kore na ye opese obo o man no na nneoma papa koso o man ni mu a adenti e na nanado ana aban bi empresika kese emfa ma na Agrada nka se na Agrada ye wu se wo bo amanfo individually but ye no ye pese MPP aban ana NDC aban ye mpuntu djuma omu ni bebi da ye pese ye si affordable houses ye pese ye si companies ewo oman mu enti sika no Ghana sika 1 billion ye pese wo dani 1 billion no manintu Ghana sika no manintu na nye 200 billion na ye mfa sika no emfa nye mpuntu djuma wo oman mu wo ye Ghana ni a ti ye di America no menhwe me background enhwe manim wo ye Ghana ni a ti ye di America no enhwe manim aka osono turumu no omo sika kodi wa aka osono turumu no won say obi bi ka osono turumu a wi a enye yie osono obi bi wura ni turumu pe masa yi wa di free so nti omo ko ho no ye ye sa say ye course se a people will come and converse about the evidence beba but ye fa won to nche the amateur ne say if truly Nana Agrada is ready to help the nation of Ghana. And by this time, and can say yanya Agrada orphanage, yanya Agrada companies, and can say yanya companies are obi billion say ampa ono ankasa ni sika gari no kura etu ema wodi asisi companies ama e wo man ni mu but e bi o yin nti ade na ye plan oba no wa set up a platform ye medi obi atem wo ha ye ni obi atem. This is not the time to insult. This is the time to put sense in people's brain. Winning. No police is going to arrest that woman. It's a mess. Facebook. Yenye what name publishing on Facebook. The only way to stop that woman is on Facebook. But I'm coming to Yen fire on Facebook. Will be a winning kasabia. Come out. Don't insult. Come and put brain into people. Into people's head. Say Abraham bi Moshe or Yakwasia. Unim kwasia sebe Nana Agrada wo ye oba wonti bi nyame maame ba wo beti be nyame sister pani me sew me kasa kire wo afutuo me paacho me nsia wo da me sew me paacho so be kasa ye wo sika gari a hweso na ye wo sika gari na CSF common sense family ye boss ye master ye president a ye ni da so a o kasa kire ye yesu ade no jana maye jano onka wa asem no asem fa ho enye sa wan hwe ya 7 previous yano yenko na CSF wunnim na utoche ya wo downfall na no wo last ya be na wayi o ka o say ye de nam na yi nam wo seminar ye de yi nam na ye kura say timi di seminar e se da wa no na de akotum suom na ye de akoyi nam dawa bi wo ho enye nam na ye de sha no ye utimi di bibi foforo sha no ye timi di seminar na de ase dawa na no na de ayi pitre ye de ayi madfish ye de ayi mpata. Now I don't blame on my man adenti on my nyuma ye den
Yahuda in video way they address the way Avram Agrada spoke to Avram Ben Moshe or insulted Avram Ben Moshe. It's about 35 minutes. And I listen or I watch all the video, but some of the things that I picked up, where they talk, we say, Charlie, if Sika Gari is a real thing that exists in Ghana, that somebody can double your money. In reality, why are people poor in Ghana? If we get Accra that way, they double money in reality for people. Why are people hungry in Ghana? If Sika Gari is real and exists to the extent that Accra that really can take your money and give it back to you, doubling it, why is Ghana going abroad to borrow money? Why is Nana Addo going abroad to borrow money? All Nana Addo has to see is Nana Agrada, this is 2 million. Make it 4. Or it just go take all the treasure, all the money we Ghana they have. Nana Agrada with a beg. Double Ghana in money. Make we all on our body, John way, or make everybody make free. Make everybody enjoy, Make everybody be satisfied. School kiddies where they don't have school books, school pen, school uniform. Charlie, we go supply all these things, give them. Because Nana Agrada don't have the double money. Or, better still, Nana Addo will go borrow the money, can't take give Nana Agrada, double it. After I double it, we take them and half, give them, and then we keep that half. Even that halfway double, if you take him as you go give him back again. Double it, Agrada. After I double it, he give us, we go take half and then we give him half again. Double, Agrada. But because this thing be scam, because it be lie, people are still suffering in Ghana. Ghana is still going abroad to borrow money. You see, most times I listen to Avram Moshe talk, say, Charlie, it be hard to speak the truth and express, your honest opinion when you're in a country because of, you can just be picked up. Somebody could hurt you because you're speaking the truth. Somebody in a higher position can just, go and pay the authorities. They'll come and get you because you're speaking the truth. For all these things. For all these things. To the extent that they say, Agrada self get macho men. So, Charlie, you take your money where you go full. Charlie, the way they will discipline you. Charlie, busy with country with day. With this fear self say we will come back to her because they say, Charlie, from airport to the traveler, Charlie, I'm robbing. Stop you for road and rob you. While somebody they double money for the country. It's a lie, it's a scam. So as Yahuda they talk, if Agrada really knows how to double money, why doesn't she double her own money and start providing for the country. Anyway, I'm up for. To me, I think that is really like, genius, thinking like this and asking these kind of questions and training out there to the people, because for you to go and give your money to some Okonfo with the expectation say he go doubly give you, Charlie, you must be living in a fool's paradise. This awareness needs to be put out there. And like I talk, I wish say this Agrada, will come out and stand and try again to attack the fraternity CSF movement. Like you will see soldiers where they will drop. Hey! International law. Anyway, I'm out for I go love Ed for here. We your boy the righteous Mr. I can represent once again, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Bye.
Live to the hands up. Fear no motherland. Live to the hands up. And the righteous man, the messenger and the rhythm rider who can't contest, otherwise go fly for the sky from an non-stop sit down. So them not stuck up. Watch this.